The Onuha brothers are finally free. But wait, does that mean their case is over, or are they just out on bail? And what happens next for their lives, their businesses, and their reputation? Let's get into it. First things first, just because the Onuha brothers are out, it doesn't mean they're in the clear. Most likely they're out on bail. That means the legal process is still rolling. They might be home, but court dates, investigations, and all the media noise, still very much part of their reality. Now let's talk business. The Onuha brothers have built some pretty ambitious ventures, right? But here's the tough part. Legal trouble can shake investor confidence, freeze assets, and make partners nervous. Even if they're innocent, just being involved in a case like this can put deals on pause or even drive clients away. So yeah, their ventures will feel the heat. The real question is, can they bounce back? Lifestyle-wise, I can only imagine it's a weird mix of relief and anxiety. On one hand, they're out, free to see family, breathe fresh air, and try to get back to normal. But on the other hand, they've got the weight of a pending case hanging over them, plus the eyes of the world watching their every move. That's not easy. Reputation is a whole different ballgame. In the court of public opinion, things can get complicated fast. Some people might see their release as proof of innocence. Others, just another twist in a long story. Trust has to be rebuilt, and that takes time, and a lot of transparency. So will the Onuha brothers recover from all this? Here's what I think. It's possible, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. They'll need to be super open, focus on what matters, and surround themselves with people who believe in second chances. And as for their ventures, if they can show stability, learn from what happened, and keep delivering value, some partners and clients will stick around. But the journey back, it's going to be tough. So, what's next for the Onuha brothers? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, everyone's watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you want the latest updates on this story, hit that subscribe button and don't miss out.